Hey guys, it's Tony W, and we're going to do a long-term 5-year review of the Sunbeam back wrap heating pad. It's an adjustable heating pad you can actually wrap around your body, and it stays in place, which is really awesome. And I usually use it on my shoulders and stuff. But we'll go ahead and do a full review of this thing. First off, this is 5 years old, and I've already threw this in the washer before and everything like that. The nice thing is that it's really soft. It has heat that goes pretty much all around throughout the entire thing. The cable is nice and long, and it hasn't really failed me for the past 5 years. It does strap on with these Velcro elastic bands, and it has an extender as well for if you want to stretch it longer, and they are elastic. Now the controller is pretty simple. It's a simple one button. It goes from warm all the way to hot, and it auto turns off as well. Very, very soft texture in terms of the fabric, and this has been in the washer a few times already. And like I said before, it straps in with these Velcro straps, and it's also elastic. Now the elasticity on the side, it's kind of already pulled. I think I overstretched one of them already, but it does come with an extra extension like that. So you just basically mount it to the other one. You can extend this wrap around. I actually wrap this around my leg, my back, my lower back, or sometimes just wherever you want to wrap it because it stays warm. Now, if you can see this plastic, basically for the optimum heat, it's actually on the other side. So the side where you actually see the text is actually not very warm. As you can see for the plug, you actually eject the plug, so you can put this in the washing machine, which is nice too. I usually push it in a washing machine, but I usually just let it dry, hang dry and stuff. Now here's the remote, basically warm, low, high, medium, and it also auto stops too. And when it auto stops after like around 3 or 4 hours, it basically has that little auto stop like blinks and stuff. So it goes to high pretty quickly, and over the 5 years, it's still pretty hot, which I'm pretty happy of. But yeah, I use this when I'm in my seat when I'm working because it doesn't really move. You basically just attach it with the Velcro, and it bands, like for myself, bands around my stomach, so it keeps my lower back warm or it keeps my upper back warm. As you can see, you basically just wrap it around, and it doesn't really move afterwards, but you are tethered by the electric cord. So if you're sitting or standing, it's fine. But if you're gonna move around, you're attached to that cord. So usually that's fine because usually when I have this, I am resting or I am at my seat and my task chair, and I just have this heated on my shoulders or my lower back and stuff. So just to ease the muscles and stuff like that. So anyways guys, this is Tony Debbie. I hope this review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.